I didn't see you there. Anyway, I'm drumming here like I love to do. Today I kind of want to talk about how I'm manipulating my hand, or adjusting my hand to be able to play singles, doubles, and faster beats. Okay, so what I'm doing is, I like to think of it this way. If you take your match grip technique and you work your way up like the itsy bitsy spider up the stick, and then use your forearm as a practice pad, you'll start to see what the fingers are doing, okay? And as I start to try to play doubles, you'll see that the fingers have to engage, and we really have to use those. So after you get that kind of idea going, to play fast, we go from using our wrist and elbow to using our fingers to really help us to get the faster tempo so we can play. So I'm letting those fingers, it's almost a snap motion. We've got our squeezing point here, but we're also relying on those fingers. And that leads to another exercise that we'll talk about called double.